Hello, today I'm talking to you about how to make profit from cassava if you cannot farm. The best time to make profit from cassava when cassava is being harvested and cassava is in the market. A large number of cassava is in the market usually when cassava is freshly harvested or during the time that cassava are being harvested. At this time, a large chunk of farmers push their cassava to the market and they are looking for buyers. So the price of cassava is going to fall. One of the laws of economics, which is a law of demand, is that the higher the price, the lower the quantity demanded. So the time of scarcity, the price of cassava goes up, and then that is the higher the price, then the quantity demanded becomes low. But the lower the price, the higher the quantity demanded. So at this time that cassava floods the market, just like as I'm talking to you now, it's October. Since August, cassava has been flooding the market, and it will continue to flood the market till maybe around November or so. So you can take advantage of this. You can use your cassava to make garri, you can use it to make fufu, you can use it to make other food items. So you buy this cassava in bulk. You cannot farm, so you go to the buyers that are farmed, you buy it directly. This is a farmer's market I'm showing you here today. You go directly to the farmers and then you buy from them. This particular cassava we are seeing here in this market is they put it for 650 naira per one, per batch, per bunch, as it is played on the floor. Some buyers in this market bought up to 10. That is 6,500. You can imagine when somebody buys up to 10, and then the person will go. In fact, the woman was there. She bought a large number. He bought this, bought that, gather everything together. Then she went to another place to buy. So people do all this. They will buy from this market, buy from that market, buy from that market, and they can resell or they can store. They can store, they can process it to garri and then store it. Garri can last in the house if it's well preserved for more than 1 year. If it is well preserved and it is roasted very dry, it can last for 1 year. Then you can make fufu with it. You can make other cassava products with it. So if the garri is kept now, the garri is made now, and then it is fried and then dried. After like say 3 months or 4 months, cassava price will have gone up. Then you can come out and then sell your garri. By that time, the price of garri too will have gone up. You can come out and sell your garri and make profit. So I'm going to allow you to listen to my conversation in this farmers market with one of the sellers, and then you can also listen to everything and then take action by stepping out. This what I'm teaching on this channel is not theory. I'm teaching practical. I bought a chunk for my family, and I went with my family members, and we bought a chunk, and we use it to make fufu, and then we are still enjoying it. We preserve it in the fridge, and we are still enjoying it now. I'm going to talk to you some other time. Bye for now. Wọ́n ti kà á tán ni. Títí dìgbà wo? Ma? When will they finish sharing it?
I don't know.
And it will soon finish now?
Yes. That's what they are doing. They are removing on top of the same 2 months.
Okay. So each one is 650.
Yes.
It makes sense now. If you can't farm, at least you can come and buy from there.
Sometimes it will reduce. This place is better than.
Yes, I can see that.
Some places now. This one is small. They will show this small.
Yeah, this one they can say it's 1,000 sales, right? Or more than that. They will not sell it.
Right. Garri is very cheap.
Yes, I was surprised when I got to the Garri seller. Now it's now 600, I mean 650. I was surprised. I mean five something said. So I was surprised. I was like, is it good Garri? I was wondering, is it good Garri? So this is time to buy Garri and tea. If one have money, this is the time to buy Garri. Wà ló máa tó lélẹ̀ tán báyìí.
Ìyá kámẹ́rà ẹ̀gẹ́ ni, bàbá kámẹ́rà ẹ̀gẹ́ ni.
Sá?
Ẹ̀ kámẹ́rà ẹ̀gẹ́ ni.
Wọ́n lè mọ̀ kí mo ti débì ni. Kọ́ máa rò pé tòsí ilé mo ti lọ ra nǹkan tí mo rà.